Greetings, my name is Lillah Schwartz. I've been a yoga teacher for over 35 years. And I'm really privileged to be offering a course with Yoga U Online, releasing this June. It's called Yoga for a Healthy Back, working with the asymmetric pelvis. And in this day and age with yoga, there's a lot of concerns about the asymmetric pelvis and how to minimize hip, low back, and knee pain with the proper yoga practice. So the course is coming out in June, like I said. It'll cover causes of asymmetry. It'll cover 4 different types of SI joint imbalances, as well as give you some self-assessment tools and recommendations for your yoga practice so you can continue to have functional balance and be pain-free. Now in this video, I want to share with you an extra tidbit that is not in the course, and that is my secret for using a sacroiliac belt. So it's a sacral stabilization belt. I have one with me here. And this is, the company is Serola, SEROLA.com, and it's a fabulous belt. I use one, my husband uses one. Now, if your sacrum is really rotated out of balance and it's a little inflamed and you have some hip pain, it's maybe not the best time to use this belt. But if you have a chiropractor or a craniosacral therapist, someone that you work with that helps you to create balance in your sacrum, once it's back in place and the joint is released, and then that's the time to use the belt to help it stay there. Now in this day and age, we do a lot of sitting at the desk, and we know that sitting is the new smoking. So long sitting at the desk leads to a lot of weakness in the back, shortness in the psoas muscles, and for me, a lot of hip and back pain. So this is the belt that I use when I need to sit. And I'm going to open up the 2 side panels. I'm going to take the belt around back behind me and put the center seam of the belt right on the middle of my sacrum, and then take the 2 tabs around to the front and crisscross and put the Velcro on. So my hip bone is here, and the sacral belt is right across the middle of the sacrum. These 2 little flaps give extra stability. So what it's going to do is going to help replace the stability of the ligaments that I've lost, or that anyone has lost. Now on my right side, I'm really tight, so I'm just going to barely pull it into position. On the left side, because this is my loosey-goosey side that gives me more trouble, I'm going to actually pull it a little tighter, bigger stretch, so that it has a snap back and actually holds the hip and the sacrum in good relationship with each other. And then I can sit for quite a period of time. Now I'll use this belt if I'm sitting, if I'm doing yard work and gardening, if I'm vacuuming the floor. Any long sitting, even sitting in a car for many, many hours driving, it would be helpful to stabilize your pelvis. So you can experiment with it a little bit, because it is Velcro, right? You can experiment, and I've been doing that so lately as well. And so now what I'm trying to do is to come a little lower down on the hip, so I'm more just above the pubis and wrapping right around to the tailbone, and then bringing the same thing, mild on the right, stronger on my left, because that's the side that needs more support. And I'm finding this is really helping me to keep my sacrum vertical with the tail pointing straight down, right? And so that when I get up from the desk, I can walk without hobbling, without any pain, etc. So thank you for watching this. I hope this tip was helpful to you, and many blessings on your healing journey. Namaste.